I'm Annabelle.
And I'm Emily from WTM London. This video is going to show you how to use the portal and why it's important for you.
The Exhibitor portal is a key tool for all exhibitors because this is where you build your online profile so anyone visiting the event can find out who you are. You wouldn't turn up to the event with a half-empty stand, and this is the same for online.
Therefore, it's really important you know how to use the portal and how to get the most out of it. First of all, you should have got an email with your login details and instructions of how to log into the portal.
Even if you've exhibited before, you will need to follow these instructions and update your password when you log in for the first time. So to access the portal, click on the login button at the top right-hand corner of the website.
Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your company profile. From here, you can click Edit Profile and add all your information.
This includes press releases, white papers, blog articles, your website, as much information as you can. Further down the page, you'll see product categories, main company activity, and geographical regions. These are really important because they tell visitors what you do and where you're from.
This information will then be used by visitors and buyers who are looking to see who's exhibiting this year at WTM.
Fun fact:
last year, the Exhibitor directory got over 1 million hits.
So it's well worth making sure your company profile is as complete as possible.
Make sure you fill out your products. This is commonly missed, and if you don't fill it out, you won't appear in the product directory.
If you've upgraded to a premium package, you can upload 5 products instead of 3, and these will all be displayed in a product carousel in the Exhibitor directory.
Next up is the Documents tab. Here you can upload all your marketing collateral, such as brochures or white papers.
You can add more of each by clicking Add New next to each document type.
You can only upload a maximum of 3 items per document type.
If at any point you want to see what company task you are yet to complete, click on the Task tab. Remember, the more complete your profile is, the more views your profile will get, meaning a greater return on investment for you. Fun fact:
a complete profile gets 3 times more views.
Once you've completed your company profile, you can see exactly who's been interacting with you via the Leads tab. Here you can see the visitors that have viewed or clicked on your company profile, and from that you can follow up with these leads by clicking on their names.
In addition to the Leads tab, you will also have an inbox. Here you will see the details of the people who have directly messaged you, and if you wish, you can reply.
The Stand Sharers tab is where you can manage all stand sharers for WTM London. Here you can add new stand sharers or edit existing ones.
If you'd like to add more sharers to your stand, please contact your account manager.
On the People Manager tab, you can see all the people that are registered for badges on your stand, as well as all the account administrators for your Exhibitor portal.
As standard, the person named on your WTM contract will be your Exhibitor portal administrator.
If additional team members would also like access to the portal, the administrators can grant this access. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching.
If you need any more information, please visit the links below.